Are you looking for an affordable home in one of Redmond's top neighborhoods? If so, I've got the home to tell you about today. Hi, I'm Tony Meyer with Windermere Real Estate. We're up on English Hill, and as the English Hill area's top selling broker for the last 17 years, I'm pleased to present you another great home. We're in the Glen Terra neighborhood, actually in the back of a cul-de-sac, and we're just a few blocks south of the award-winning Sunrise Elementary. The home we're looking at today is a tri-level, 3 bedrooms, 2 1/4 baths, 1,682 square feet, and it's on a cul-de-sac lot, again, just shy of a 1/4 acre, just by a few feet. Nice big backyard as a result of that, nice patio. The home has got some great updates. Brand new paint, fresh carpet, updates in the bathrooms. Check out the kitchen, it's been updated with cabinetry, stainless steel appliances. This is a fabulous home, and I know you're gonna love it.